What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial advisor. Welcome to my channel. All right, what up, everyone? What up, Beelzebub, Eddie, Wen?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thank you guys for being here. Appreciate everyone, as always. Wen says bull market back. Well, you know, no one has a crystal ball. I would like to think so, but honestly, dude, and this is not financial advice, just speculation. But I'm not convinced. I'm not convinced at all. I think we're due for some pretty big pullback. SPY is overbought, overvalued right now. I'll show you in a second when we switch the scene. But SPY is looking pretty bearish at the moment, according to the technicals at least. And all these rate hikes are definitely not helping. You know, it's bringing inflation down, but it also can induce a recession at the same time. So it has run up quite a bit. We've come back over halfway from the low. But you know, just be careful. I do think we're gonna pull back pretty significantly. We'll see though. So I'm gonna say we may have bottomed out, but I'm not gonna be so quick to say the bull market is back just yet. I sure hope so though. Damn, congrats to people in Bed Bath & Beyond. I kept second guessing myself and didn't get in at 15. Yeah, dude. Well, you know what? You honestly did the right thing. And we have a meme about that later, about FOMOing. So I feel you, dude. You know, you could have made almost 100% if you sold at the high. If you bought in 15 and sold at the high. But, yeah, you know, honestly, you did the right thing by not aping. By not FOMOing, by not aping. You were being smart. You know, so it would have worked out if you decided to gamble and be a degenerate this time around. But most of the time it doesn't work, so, you know, yeah, I think you did the right thing, and resisting FOMO works long term. Not all the time. Like in this case, GME, AMC, whatever. But most of the times apes get burned. So don't feel too bad, dude. You honestly did the right thing. And what up, Alan Gomes? What's up? Fubo, the next Bed Bath & Beyond according to Wall Street Bets. Tomorrow we could see 10 plus. Yeah, so honorable mention, Fubo. So that also made top 10 StockTwits. I think it went up 40% or something like that. So we're not going to have time for that today. Because we have to do Bed Bath & Beyond and BBIG. Those stocks are more popular. But yes, Fubo is an honorable mention. And I guess if it keeps going tomorrow, we will do that tomorrow. But yeah, Fubo is one of the OG meme stocks, and it's apparently the, I'm not going to call it the next squeeze, the next BBBY, but it is squeezing right now, and, you know, has more potential upside to go. So, shout out to you, Alan. All right, guys. So, today is Tuesday, right? Yes. So, today is Tuesday, August 16th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from the stock exchange, New York Stock Exchange. That is because we had a pretty neutral day. It looks like the Dow Jones and SPY finishes in the green, but the Nasdaq is down, and I think crypto is down as well. So overall, you know, not much price action today. Pretty neutral stuff. So that's why we're rolling with the stock exchange. What up, Blue Roller? What's up? You see Dogecoin pumping today for no reason? Yeah, it did go up to 9, I think. 9 cents. I did post that on Discord earlier. And it's pulled back to like 8.5 since then, I think. But yeah, big run for Doge and Sheep. Doge and Sheep have been pumping lately. No idea why, but I'm certainly not complaining. Still got a long way to go before I hit my average. But I'm very happy for that, Doge and Sheep. I have 3 day trades today. I got my share of chicken soup for the soul from holding Redbox. I was afraid if I traded it, I would be flagged as a pattern day trader. I didn't, thank God. Well, I think if you sold, that would have counted as one trade, right? So I don't think you would have been flagged as a day trader. But yeah, I definitely feel you. You know, fortunately, for me, I never had the struggle of having under 25K in my account. So I never had to deal with those BS restrictions, those day trading restrictions. It really is a super disadvantage. So, usually I don't encourage day trading. Well, it doesn't seem like you day trade much anyways, but usually I don't encourage day trading if you have less than 25K, just because of these stupid limitations. But yeah, dude, I don't think you would have been flagged. And what do you plan on doing with those shares? Just curious, Beelzebub. Shiba Inu didn't go up today? Yeah, it did. It has gone up a little bit, not as much as Doge, but it was going up today. And it did go up the other day as well. Time to go. Well, what up, Zach? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Time to go on what? Bed Bath & Beyond? Or everything? But the answer to that is yes. Most likely. Everything is just going wild right now. Everything is ripping. Yeah, everything is pretty overheated, pretty overbought, overvalued. So I would think so, but I've been saying that for a while now, and we'll just keep going to the upside. So we'll see. I think so, but yes, we'll see. It is better to keep Redbox stock name than soup stock. Stock should be unlimited trade like crypto. Well, I think more people know Redbox than Chicken Soup. But Chicken Soup acquired them, so don't really have a choice there. And I agree, stock should be unlimited trading like crypto. It should be free also. Or crypto should be free is the next step. More for the SPY and QQQ. All right, so the overall markets. Yeah, like I've been saying that looks like we're long overdue for some pretty significant pullback, and then it keeps ripping to the upside. So really don't know. Logically, technically, yes, it looks like it's time for go, but the markets are super irrational nowadays. So I would think so, but maybe not. Hopefully not. But like low key, I kind of do want it to go down so I could load the boat. I don't want to load up here. So we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'll stick to my guns and say yes, we're due for some pretty big go. What up, Gintaris Milius? Hope I said that right. Can you please tell us about BBIG? Thanks. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. It's gonna be a while before we get to that. We have a lot of stuff to get to before we talk about BBIG. But later in the show, we will get to BBIG. So if you want, you can either stick around, or come back later, or watch the playback. And then also after the show, I'll edit the video and post a full video just dedicated to BBIG. So yes, we'll get to that, Gintaris. But it's gonna be a little bit before we do. We got other stuff to get to first. Stocks, crypto, news, and Bed Bath & Beyond first, and then we'll get to BBIG. Look at Wish stock price now? All right, we'll look at that in a second here. Okay, guys. So appreciate everyone for being here nice and early. A lot of people in here so far. Please smash the like button if you haven't yet. Please and thank you. And yes, so today we have quite a bit to discuss. This should be a pretty long show. I'm thinking at least 2 hours today. At least 2 hours. We can go closer to 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on how many people come in and chat. Which Tuesdays are usually one of the slower days for chatting. But lately we've been getting, the live show has been a lot better lately. A lot of people attending the live show as of late. So, don't expect so many people, but always welcome it. But yeah, as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. And today we got 3 articles. Well, really 4, but we got one on Bed Bath & Beyond. So we'll look at that one while we do Bed Bath & Beyond. But really 3 articles. What about the SEC and Dragon Chain? I've never heard of that before, but we got some news about Dragon Chain. They're getting in trouble. One about Do Kwon. So Do Kwon's been silent. We all know Do Kwon, right? The Terra Luna guy. So he's been silent for a while now, ever since the whole thing went down. But he's finally breaking his silence, and he did an interview. So we'll take a look at that. And then finally, we got an update on Celsius Network. It's not really news, but, well, I guess it is news, but it's more like information of what went down while the crypto winter happened. What was going on internally. So nothing too crazy there. Just some minor news. And then today for the TA, we're gonna do Bed Bath & Beyond once again. Of course we have to. And then we're gonna do BBIG, Vinco Ventures, which got unhalted today and started mooning. So that also made top 10 StockTwits, major price action there. So yes, BBBY and then BBIG, and then we'll get to the Yolos. Yolos shouldn't take too long. We have a lot today, but they're mostly memes. A lot of memes, and a few gain coins. But that shouldn't take too long. So, yeah, the TA is gonna take a while today. It's gonna be a lot of me. It's gonna be me just talking a lot. So I hope I don't bore you guys too much. So yeah, not much news, not much not many YOLOs, or it shouldn't take too long. But the TA should take a decent amount of time today. So yeah, expect to go at least 2 hours today, 2 to 3 hours. I hope you can watch Network. 1, 2, 6, 8 minute video today. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. But like I said, I don't expect to have too much free time today. I do expect today's show to be pretty long. So if we do have time, then sure. But if not, then maybe we'll try tomorrow. All right, guys. So thanks everyone for being here. Let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right. Boom. All right, so we're looking at what are we looking at? Looking at SPY. Or let's look at Fubo, SPY, and Wish. So I just want to show you guys Fubo real quick. So it's up 45% today. They did have Investor Day today. Yeah, Investor Day. So I guess that was a catalyst that jump-started the squeeze. So yeah, this is one of the OG meme stocks. I'm not saying it's the next GameStop or Bed Bath & Beyond or AMC, but yeah, this one is gamma squeezing right now. Looks really bullish long term, but you know, I think there's some gaps to fill in the short term here. So shout out to everyone in Fubo. We're not gonna do it today because we got more important stuff to discuss. But if it keeps going tomorrow, we will discuss this one tomorrow. What's up with Wish? It's under $2 now. Wow. Really disgusting. Well, it's been under $2 for a while. The low is 120. Yeah, it's pretty sick. So this is what I mean. You know, with these meme stocks, everyone claims it's gonna squeeze, and then 19 out of 20 times it does not squeeze, and people get burned. But then sometimes it does work, like Bed Bath & Beyond and AMC and GME. But yeah, I remember I was in this at like 9 or 10, and thankfully I was able to escape with actually a profit. I couldn't even imagine holding this way down here. That's pretty sick. And yeah, finally SPY. So yeah, SPY is at RSI is at 73 right now. Looks like this might be a top of the cup here at like 430-ish. And we have a triple gap up at 413, 480, or excuse me, 380 and 370. So yeah, I'm certainly not complaining that we ripped this hard, but it's really not natural at all. Doesn't make any sense logically, and yeah, looking at the chart here, I do expect quite a bit of pullback. So we'll see what happens. So I hope the bull market is back, but no, I'm really not convinced. I think we're gonna go mega like next month or something. We'll see. Damn, can IMPP find a bottom already? What's up with IMPP? I remember you buying Wish stock, $9, but you sold it. Yeah, well, I was never gonna buy and hold Wish. You know, that was always a swing trade. So I bought stock, sold covered calls, and thankfully I was able to exit. And Clover too. I was in Clover as well. I was in a lot of these poop stocks. I was in XCLA. I don't think I was an MMA. Oh, I was an MMAT. I was an MMAT. Yeah. So I was in a bunch of these. I wasn't in BBIG though. But yeah, thankfully I was able to escape that. But in some other stocks I was not so lucky. I was able to escape a few stocks. Neo, DraftKings, some other stuff I can't think about. But I got stuck in Alibaba and Paramount. So you win some, you lose some. At least I'm willing to hold Alibaba and Paramount. You know, I couldn't even imagine being stuck holding a meme stock like this. I'd be sick to my stomach. Which stock can't go down forever? It will be short squeeze like BBBY stock. Was BBBY $2 last month? No, it was $4. It was $4. Yeah, so a Wish is definitely a meme stock, and it probably will squeeze at some point. I'm not sure if it's gonna like nuclear MOAS, but it'll have its day again. You know, no, Wish is a way more legit company than GameStop. So yeah, good luck to the apes there in Wish. And the IMPP, yep, lower lows today, huh? New all-time low. That's pretty sick. And it broke some pretty critical resistance there. Let me redraw this one. Yeah, so lower lows today, and unfortunately, this did break critical support at 36. Yeah, so now this is the all-time low. And uncharted territory, so I really couldn't tell you how low it's going to go. Anyone's best guess at this point. So yeah, really unfortunate, but still long-term it looks really bullish. Big cup and handle and gap down, so hang in there. Really sucks. And this is like low-key a meme stock now, so just be careful. But this should have its day again. Just got to be patient. Draw another one right here. Okay. Yeah, so RSI's at 37, so not quite oversold and undervalued just yet, but it is on the lower end there. So this could be a good buying opportunity, but I just observe it for now, see how low it goes, and you know, try to catch the bottom. So really sick, really disgusting, but you know, hang in there, it'll have its day again. Okay. Cool. Watch list time. Let me add. Oh, Fubo's right here. All right, we'll start on the red side. Actually, you know what? We'll start on the green side. Okay. So the Dow Jones up 0.71%, NASDAQ down 0.23%, and the S&P up 0.19%. So overall, not bad. Slightly bullish here today. So we'll just give that the money. Yeah, earlier everything was in the red, so I will take it. I will take it. Could have been a lot worse. VIX is down 1.3%, down 0.26 points, so we're now at 19.69. Nice. VIX, which is good. Below average, or right at average at 20 VIX, so can't complain there. Hopefully it holds, though. Okay. Let's check out what's happening here. So BBIG, 59%. We will discuss that second today. Major price action there. Fubo, honorable mention, 45%. So we're not going to have time to... we're not going to discuss that today. But yeah, major price action. Maybe we'll do it tomorrow. Or maybe if I have time after the show, I could also do some bonus content. But, yeah, Fubo. Fubo going crazy today. And it might not be done just yet. Yeah, so we're not going to discuss it today live. We may do it tomorrow, or I may do some bonus content. But, already got a lot to talk about today. The honorable mention Fubo. And then Bed Bath & Beyond, 29%, which we'll discuss first today, of course. AMTD going back up. What else we got here? A lot of growth / memes going up today. There's Express, Costs, Wish, GME. So yeah, Meme Mania round 3 was back. Has been for a little while, and it's still going. Target big day here, 4.6%. But for the most part, all I see is growth and memes. There's Paramount, 2.4%. TD, 2.1%. Here's eBay, 1.7. Dollar General, 1.5. Discover, Nike, Chipotle, Costco. Yeah, so there's a decent amount of value here in the green. Just not much price action. Most of the big price action was on growth and memes. Yeah, we got some. I'll just name them real quick. We got Starbucks, Pfizer, Lyft, McDonald's, Cisco, Lockheed Martin, Verizon, PayPal, Disney, Pepsi, Ford, Wells Fargo. Bunch of stuff in the green here. Coke, Boeing, JP Morgan, Bank of America, Amazon. So yeah, slightly bullish day here today. Good amount of price action on the growth / memes, and decent price action on value. And let's go to the red side. So HLBZ, honorable mention. That's pulling back today. I think they had earnings yesterday. Bad earnings. That's pulling back today, so we're not going to do it. But honorable mention there. MEGL, also honorable mention. That's down 21% today. Not going to do it because you can't really analyze an IPO. But that's still a hot stock, down 21%. BitNile, damn, that's pulling back 12%. But nothing too crazy going on here. Nothing too crazy. Got Moderna, Oxygen. Crypto stocks look like they're down. There's Marathon. Yeah, this is all growth and memes though. I don't see really any value here. There's Spotify. It's down 2%. I guess that counts. And there's Netflix, 1.4. Exxon, Meta, AMD, Google, Microsoft, Chevron, Apple. Yeah, so it looks like mostly everything in the red is tech. Tech for the most part. Tech and gas. Tech and energy. And then some healthy pullback from some memes that have been squeezing. Yeah, so overall, really not. Well, today was pretty crazy on the stocks that did squeeze, but other than that, there wasn't too much price action. So yeah, slightly bullish day. Kind of sucks if you had tech, but yeah, I'll take it. I hope it went pretty well for you guys in the stock market today. Let's get on to crypto, and let me just pull up YouTube real quick. We're at 8 viewers, 9 likes. So thank you guys. A lot of people in here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Shout out to all the lurkers. I see you guys. And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. So give me a second here. Let me pull up crypto and the articles today. Oh, and by the way, guys. So yeah, yesterday we did have 30 likes, I think. 30-something likes. Which technically was a record. But I had a feeling we had a lot of bots in the chat yesterday. So after YouTube did their double checking, it came out to like 23 likes. So yeah, there was definitely a botting going on yesterday, which I guess just means we made it, right? I can't stop it. I could like ban them and mute them, but it's just for every one bot I ban, 10 more are just gonna pop up. So there's really no point. But if they're hitting the like button, I don't mind too much. I just I wish I knew who was a bot and who wasn't a bot because the bots are pretty realistic now. Well, it depends who made them, but the ones I'm getting now are like good bots. They're like realistic bots. Sound like real people. So yes, I thought yesterday might have been a record, but technically it's not because there was cheating going on with the bots. All right. So I'll give this another second to finish loading, and we'll get started here on crypto. And here comes the first siren of the day. All right, let me mute real quick. let this pass, give this another second to finish loading, and we'll get started here on crypto. Alright, we're good. My apologies. Let me just take a quick drink. Alright, let's do it. So here's crypto. That is down 0.41% today. Not too bad, but give it the go. I think it was down more earlier. But yeah, slightly bearish day here in crypto. Beelzebub says he thinks he caught monkeypox. Uh-oh. Are you doing naughty things, Beelzebub? You're putting your private parts in places they shouldn't be? No, I'm totally kidding. No, in all seriousness, I hope you don't have it. And it's really unfortunate, dude. Hope you're okay. Hope you recover well. But, yeah, I think I read something that you can now, it's now transmissible between, like, pets. I saw something like someone gave their dog monkeypox. Maybe, well, the article didn't specify how the dog got monkeypox. I assumed it was airborne, but now that I'm thinking about it, maybe they're doing stuff with a dog they shouldn't have been doing. Anyway, I read that you can give it to your pets now. It's transmissible between humans and animals. So maybe you caught it that way. Maybe the animals are giving it to us now, which would kind of suck. But yeah, sorry about that, Beelzebub. Hope you recover. Hope you don't have it, and if you do, hope you recover. I don't know, maybe the dog licked their face? Yeah, that could do it. You know, you lick your lips, and they lick your lips, and then it gets in your mouth and stuff, or maybe in your nose. Yeah, that could do it. But, you know, up to this point, there's only one real way to get it. So, I'm a bit skeptical about what's going on there. But yeah, sorry to hear that, dude. Hope you don't have it, and hope you feel better. Oh, and Tyler's here. What up, Tyler?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Okay. Let's get to crypto here. All right, got your low roller. Fubo, what up, Willie? What's up? Welcome back. Nice to have you here again. Fubo climbing up the Reddit charts. Yeah, Fubo, so, and StockTwits. So Fubo is an honorable mention. We're not going to do it live today. If it keeps running tomorrow, we'll do it. Or I may just, I may do some aftermarket, after the show, additional content. I really don't want to because we're already doing 2 today, and I really don't want to do 3, but I guess if I have to, I will. But yeah, Fubo, definitely squeezing right now, and could be the next big squeeze. Oh, got you. Moneypox. That's funny. Yeah, I misread. One letter off. Moneypox. All right, good one. Got you, dude. Yeah, I was like, how'd you get monkeypox? Did you, Yeah, I was like, you're doing something you're not supposed to be doing. No, I got you, dude. Good one. Yeah, I need me some of that. You can give it to me. Come spread it. Come spread it to the whole community. Fubo will replace Bed Bath & Beyond? Well, it's too early to say. I'm gonna say no for now. It's possible, but, I'm gonna say no for now. But if the apes keep pushing it, it can be. Fubo down after hours. Fubo has massive gaps to fill. Alright, so yeah, this is when I don't know who's real and who's not. I think the bots are coming in now. Which I don't mind because the bots do help promote. But I don't want to pump stocks that fake people are asking about. Okay. So I don't think I don't think Willie and John Jacob are bots, but there definitely is botting going on recently. So I'm trying to look out to see who are the bots here. But anyway, what's up, John? Fubo has massive gaps to fill. Yeah, on both sides though. So again, we're not gonna do Fubo today, live at least. But I did quickly look at the Fubo chart, and it does have massive gaps to fill on both sides. The I forgot what price is, but yeah, it's insane price action and very risky at this point. So yeah, depending on how many mentions it gets on StockTwits, I may do a video on that later. But live here today, we're not going to do Fubo. And Gus is in here too. What up, Gus? Welcome back. Fubo next Mars. Let's cook. Yeah, so Fubo is hot right now. I'm not saying you guys should buy it, and we'll take a look at it here in a sec after we're done with the news. So I'm not saying it is the next MOAS, but it definitely is squeezing right now and has upside potential. Still has more upside potential. Now I'm sweating. We're in black here today. Football gonna push 10 for sure. Yeah, we'll check it out in a second here. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, back to this. So we'll start on the... Yeah, so we got a little sidetrack there for a second. We'll start on the green side today, I guess. Actually, what am I doing? Let's run down the list real quick. Market cap. So yeah, Bitcoin down 0.5%, Ether down 1%, Binance down 0.6%, Cardano up 1.5%, Solana down 2%, Doge up 10%. It was up like 18 earlier, since pulled back, but big day there for Doge. Shiba up 2%. I don't see too much price action overall. Good mix of green and red, but nothing too crazy. No big price action. So let's sort this out. We'll start on the green side. What up, Wilson?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Go EV Canoe running after hour. All right, we will check that one out as well after we're done with the news here. So we got to check out a few stocks. Is Fubo good to get in now? Well, not financial advice, but I'm gonna say no. We'll check it out here in a second. I'm gonna say don't do it, but you know it's gambling at this point. High risk, high reward. So I wouldn't FOMO. But if you want to gamble, go ahead. It's just extremely risky. But we'll take a look in a second here. Hi, Feller. Thanks for coming back. Who's Feller? Fella? Who you talking to? Beelzebub. Bed Bath & Beyond rug pull was brutal. Didn't have a stop loss in place. Average 13. Alright, so you're still in there, Tyler. Yeah, that was pretty brutal. Went from, what like 28 down to, I forgot how low it went down. But it went down quite a bit. It went from like 75% down to 15%, and now I think it's back up to 30. So you're still up. But yeah, dude, that was pretty brutal. And we'll get to Bed Bath & Beyond soon, but not financial advice. I think it's done. I think it's done. After that massive rug pull and these price downgrades today, I have a feeling it's coming to an end here. So yeah, kind of sucks, but you're still up a lot of money, Tyler. So don't be too upset. But yeah, for sure, I would look to exit soon. Not financial advice. But yeah, you're still up a lot, so congrats to you. And what up, Ken? And what up, Jalen?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright. You can FOMO Wish since it can't go down forever. Wish could be the next BBBY. Well, never say never. Technically, it can't go down forever. It can go below $1, and then it can reverse split, and then go below $1 again, and reverse split again. So never say never. But it really shouldn't. But, you know, as a financial professional, I don't really like screwing around with meme stocks, and I don't really encourage that either. So just be very careful, guys, with these meme stocks. I know it's exciting, but more people get hurt than people make money here. So if you guys want to gamble, just be very careful. Bed Bath & Beyond was 30 the bucks this morning. It was 28. I don't think it was 30. It was like 29. But yeah, it did go very high. Very surprising. Jalen says, what up? Nice midday rally from SPY. Yeah, not bad. Finishes in the green. So nice way to end the day. Okay. Yeah, low roller says Tyler should sell. And I would have to agree. Maybe not just yet, but you know, definitely set a stop loss at 13, so you don't lose any money. And I would sell some. I would just manually sell some pretty soon here. But yeah, dude. No matter what happens, let us know what happens there. Give us an update. Okay, back to this. All right, green side. Start on the green side here. So number one, let's go to. Oh, actually, so there's not many coins in the green. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There's like 18 coins in the green. We'll just call it 20%. So 20% of the coins in the green, 80% in the red. And not much price action here on the green side. Biggest gainer is Doge, 10.5%. The only double-digit gainer. And then big drop-off from there. So that's the biggest value coin. And then there's Monero, second biggest value coin. Sheeb, Cardano, Tron, Litecoin, XRP, Cosmos, so Polkadot. So there is a good amount of value in the green here. FTX as well. Yeah, so most of the coins in the red, but it seems like the value coins are really holding up the market today. That's what it seems like, at least. Let's see on the red side. So yes, 80% of the coins in the red, but price action wasn't too bad on the red side either. Biggest loser was Celsius, down 15.4%. Only stock in the double digits, red. And the second biggest loser is Convex, 7.4%. But I really don't see too much value here. Here's Leo. That's the biggest value coin, 3.33%. And then there's Ether Classic. So yeah, it seems like most of the coins in the red. But the value coin is really holding up the market here today. So slightly bearish. But not too bad, you know. I will take it. Could have been a lot worse. Certainly not complaining that much. So, hope you guys made money here in crypto today, and if you didn't, hope it wasn't too bad. Hope it wasn't too bad. And all right, so yeah, there's crypto. So slightly bullish in the stock market, slightly bearish in crypto. So overall, pretty neutral day. So hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. Hope you guys made money. All right, let's get on to some news here. Oh, and Ken, did you see BBIG today? Surprised you didn't say anything about it. I bet you're happy about that, dude. We're going to get to BBIG later in the show. Hoping for pre-market pop. Yeah, it should have like a little bit more left in it. But, you know, I don't think it's going back over 29 bucks. That's what I said before, and it did. So, yeah, I think it topped out already. It may go up a little bit pre-market early in the trading session, but yeah, I look to exit pretty soon. Not financial advice. Low roller says set stop loss at 17. I don't know about that, but definitely at 13. IMPP bankruptcy coming soon. News coming soon. That's what you want, right? So it's gonna squeeze. I'm not sure if you're trolling or not, but yeah. I hope everyone in IMPP, you and Eddie over there. Hope it comes back for you guys, whether it's bankrupt or not. Going bankrupt may be a good thing. It may squeeze. BBBY squeezing tomorrow. Well, technically it is gonna keep squeezing. But I think it's done. Like, squeezing from the high. I think it's not going over 29 again. We'll see. Reed added coin in coin market cap. Is Dragon Chain was part of Disney in 2018? I have no idea. I don't think it was. No, I'm not in that scam. You're not in IMPP or BBIG. I thought you were. Bed Bath & Beyond 380 tomorrow for sure. Yeah, well, AMC was supposed to go to 100K, right? And what? Ethereum was supposed to go to 350. Yeah, one beat it to me. Ethereum was supposed to go to 350. So, yeah, apes can dream. Apes can dream, but keep dreaming. Obviously it's a joke, but some people really believe it. That's the funny part. Funny and sad part. Some apes never learn. All right, so let me load up. Wow, Low Roller has a few articles for us. Okay, so let me pull his stuff up, and we'll get started here. I shorted BBBY at 15. Did he short or buy puts? So now you're in the margin call. So you did short it. Are you joking, dude? Are you trolling? So, Bed Bath & Beyond should come back below 15, but I hope you don't get margin called before it does. No, Low Roller says set stop loss at 17. So, I mean, he can do whatever he wants. I think it should be 13. But yeah, 17 if it's, if you want to secure profits. You sold long time? Really? I thought you were still in it. All right, dude. I thought you were going to be hyped for BBIG today, but apparently you sold. So that sucks. I guess you're going to have a lot of tax write-offs coming up. All right, let's get to the news. So today, guys, I got 3 articles, and it looks like the Low Roller has 3 more for us. We got one about the SEC and Dragon Chain, one about Do Kwon, and one about Celsius. So let's do it. First article, SEC files suit against Dragon Chain over $16.5 million ICO. So quick take. The SEC has filed suit against yet another 2017 ICO. As with many other identical suits, the SEC is calling Dragon Chain's $16.5 million raise an unregistered securities offering. All right, so minor news here. I don't even know what Dragon Chain is. I think I've seen it back in the day. But yeah. So this ICO'd 5 years ago, back when ICO was a thing. You can't even do that anymore. And yeah, so 5 years in the future, and now they're coming after these small coins, these small projects. So I was gonna say, like, why this one and not everything else? But apparently they are going after other projects as well. Finally, the SEC is doing something. That's all it's really saying. So yeah, the SEC is going after several business entities around Dragon Chain and the founder John Joseph Roots. And then they're going after the shows as well. You know, like Floyd Mayweather and Kim K and Logan Paul. So yeah, minor news. Don't know what Dragon Chain is, but SEC is going after them now. Do people even trade Dragon Chain anymore? No idea. But yeah, small news here. Minor news. Moving on. Our next article about Do Kwon. And for everyone who doesn't know, Do Kwon is the Terra guy, the Terra Luna guy. So up to this point, ever since the collapse happened, he's been pretty silent. But now he did an interview, and see what he says here. So he says, Terra was his life. It was essentially his life. He lost all his money as well, like everyone else. He really believed in the project. He went all in, and he got wrecked. So I do believe that. I do believe that he didn't intend for this to be a Ponzi scheme. It was a Ponzi scheme, but he didn't intend for it to be a Ponzi scheme. And I do believe him when he says that, you know, he put his blood, sweat, and tears in this and his own money, and you know, he went all in and lost it all. So the feds are still after him, especially the South Korean feds. He said he's not going to run. He's going to deal with the consequences. And as for the future of Terra, he says, who knows? He's not going to put a... he's not going to have any expectations. He's just going to let it be. So nothing new really coming out of this interview, but Do Kwon is speaking up. So, respect to that. You know, there's no way everyone's going to get made whole. And he's still rich. He should be rich. So, respect for speaking out. But, you know, still in the end, everyone got wrecked here. And it was a failed project. A lot of people got hurt. So, if Do Kwon says anything else, I'll bring it to you guys. Bring the news to you guys. And last article from me. CEO traded Celsius funds on bad information prior to collapse. Report. Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky reportedly overruled executives with decades of experience, taking the firm's trading choices into his own hands. Alright, so we're not going to read everything here, but it says that... Yeah, so the CEO was afraid that crypto winter was going to get really bad. So he overruled everyone and said, I'm going to ape this myself. Let me control all the trading. You know, he overruled the actual professional traders. So yeah, they started liquidating Bitcoin, cutting risk. And apparently they had a lot of undisclosed trades. They had a lot of losses that they did not tell the public. So it says equities first owed them $500 million. And I think it was dumping Bitcoin to hedge that. But they never got paid back. So there's $500 million loss on that, and then another big loss here. $125 million on GBTC, Grayscale. And then they also tried to do a Bitcoin mining sector of their business, which didn't work. So yeah, Celsius is still, really screwed. Still an ongoing story, but we're getting some information now about what went down behind the scenes during the whole crypto winter. So this doesn't really change anything. Victims still got their funds locked up, probably not going to get their money back, still in bankruptcy. But at least we can kind of understand what was going on now. So just a lot of management errors here on Celsius's part. So yeah, if any new information comes out, I'll report it to you guys. But yeah, most important thing, I hope the victims get made whole. And yeah, screw this guy. The WAC had some movement today. It did? I didn't see it, but makes sense because the growth in meme stocks did move. So, of course, DWC is a meme stock. I don't trust Raw Coco. Well, you shouldn't. You definitely should not. Kimchi Kwan needs Raw Coco to hype up Luna Coin. Yeah. Well, what's he gonna say? The shorts are gonna get squeezed out. Nuclear MOAS. Yeah. Even, not gonna work. I know you're joking, but if you pay him, he would. Rawa Coco definitely seems like the type of guy who would chill for money. BitBoy lost $3 million on Celsius since he went all in. He will be homeless soon. He went all in $3 million on Celsius? At what price? What? Why would you do that? That is some serious aping. Well, if he does, then he totally deserves it. Jesus Christ. Why'd you go all in on Celsius, the bankrupt company? Thought it was going to squeeze? Like all these other stocks. Alright, what's this? How to add Doge Chain Network to MetaMask? Well, I didn't even know you could do this, but apparently you can. Okay. I don't think we're going to read this whole thing, but apparently you can link Dogecoin and MetaMask now. Good to know. Last time I used MetaMask was when I played CryptoKitties. Haven't used it in a while. BitBoys, YouTubers? Yeah, I know. I'm just saying, why the hell would he do that? It's pretty stupid. What's the City Group furthers crypto push with 2 digital asset hires? Who'd they hire? Ryan Rugg and David Cunningham hired for Citigroup's treasury and trade units. All right, I don't know who the hell they are, but it seems like they have quite a bit of experience. And yeah, Wall Street institutions are definitely buying the dip on crypto. They definitely rug pulled it, and they're definitely buying the dip. So it is still a crypto bear market, but institutions are loading up. You best believe that. All right, what's this? IRS to serve summons to crypto dealer SFOX looking for possible tax evaders. What is a crypto prime dealer? Okay. Yeah, I don't even know what SFOX is, but yeah, the IRS is demanding that you pay your taxes. They're gonna know. They're coming after people. They're cracking down. So that sucks. And they just got funded with another, like $80 billion or something. So be careful, guys. Those big crypto trades you made in the past may come back to hurt you. Uncle Sam wants his money. All right, guys. So that's all the articles for today. It is now 4:58, so we're doing good on time here. So, do we have to look at anything? No, I don't think anyone wanted me to look at anything. All right, guys. So that's all the articles for today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And now on to the TA. So once again, we're gonna do Bed Bath and Beyond, and BBIG, BBBY and BBIG. So my apologies in advance. This is gonna be pretty boring from this point on. Just me talking a lot. Gonna get through as quick as possible. Shouldn't take too long. Got my notes right here. But yeah, it's gonna be just me talking for like the next hour, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. All right. So let me just check YouTube real quick. We're at 13 viewers, 16 likes. Wow, went up. So a lot of people in here. Thank you guys.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. What up, Purple Rings?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up, 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 what's up?
Thanks for being a dude. Appreciate you, as always. All right, so yeah, guys, please smash the like button. And let's do it. Let's do the TA here. So once again, Bed Bath & Beyond. And BBIG. All right, let's do it. So here is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. This finishes at $20.65 today. That is up 29.06%. Corgi Guy 3 subscribers left 1,000. All right, congrats to him. Bed Bath & Beyond Cup and Handle support at $18.50. Yes, we'll get to that in a second. Okay. So we've been covering this stock for over 2 weeks now. This is the hot stock right now. This is the hot meme stock right now, the retail favorite. So at the low, this was at $4.40, and this squeezed all the way up to almost $29 today. Which is a 550% upside potential. So it's already been, and it's since pulled back pretty significantly, but it's been an epic short squeeze so far, and it looks like it's not done just yet. Honestly, I really didn't think this would go higher than 14. Honestly, I didn't really expect this to go higher than 15. But here we are. So I'm very happy for the apes. But at this point, it's getting very dangerous. So just be very careful. Don't be afraid to take your profits and secure the gains. Don't be afraid to take profits and secure your gains. Nothing wrong with that. Here's a secret, guys. Diamond hands is not the way. If you diamond hands, you will be a bag holder. So make sure you hit the sell button at some point. Oh, we have an article. And we did have a CNBC article here, so let's check that out real quick. I actually have to reopen the browser. 1 second, let me pull it up. Yeah, I think Tyler's gonna sell soon. He knows what he's doing. Not worried about it. All right, Bed Bath & Beyond soars 70% as meme traders talk up Ryan Cohen's call options purchase. So yeah, the stock went up. The stock went up more than 70%, over $28, multiple halts. And I didn't know this before, but apparently Ryan Cohen loaded up on leaps here. So let's see. So it says he bought calls with strikes between 60 and 80 that expire January 2023 for 1.6 million shares. So that would be 16,000 call options. Where's my meme? Oh, here it is. Oh, my frame's dropping.
What?
Oh, still a little lag. One more time. Damn, OBS never wants to cooperate. Yeah, what the hell? Whatever. Still holding 180 low? It's not. So just because he bought 60 and $80 strikes does not mean he's going to hold it till 60 to 80. Does not mean he's going to hold it until 60 to $80. In fact, he's probably going to cut it. He's probably going to cash in pretty soon if he didn't already. So yes, all hail Ryan Cohen, but even he's not going to diamond hand. All right. So I guess no meme there. All right. He didn't. Today his holdings were filed and updated, everything the same. Yeah, so he didn't sell it yet, but he definitely is going to sell it soon. There's no way he's going to hold this to January. There's no way. That'd be pretty stupid. But yeah, you know, he probably made a lot of money. Okay. And in addition to that news, we did actually have some price downgrades today. B. Riley downgrades to $5 and Odeon downgrades to $7.5. So it does appear like the institutions are coming in and shorting this down now. And that's probably why the stock pulled back so hard. The stock pulled back so much from $28. Just speculation, though. Okay. This was number 1 on StockTwits today. How many mentions? Like 20,000? This had over 18,000 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. So no company specific news to justify this price action today. Again, this is just a really hot stock on social media right now. On Reddit and StockTwits. Ape's still in here. Still a lot of momentum. Still trying to squeeze the stock. Okay. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. And this is going to be more or less the same. From the previous shows, just with the updated price action. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 440. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be $28.85, $30, or $30. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Where this has the potential to come all the way back up to 40, 45, or the high of 53.90. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Bull flag. I guess we'll do that one too. Here we have an ascending channel. Right now, the upper channel is at $16, and the lower channel is at $13. So if this breaks 16 to the upside, that would be bullish, and if this breaks 13 to the downside, that would be bearish. And this did in fact break 16 today. So the ascending channel is currently a bullish indicator. In the previous shows, when we covered this stock, we did have this bull flag. We did have this bull flag form. We did have this bull flag develop. So that was bullish. That was suggesting that the stock was due for a breakout. It did in fact break out. And yesterday, a new bigger bull flag formed. So that was also bullish. That was suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside. Gotta redraw that. And today, the stock did in fact break out of the bull flag. And here today we have a new, even bigger bull flag forming. So no confirmation just yet, but here's the flag pull. So all we would need is some pullback to form the flag, and that would be a bullish indicator that is suggesting that the stock is due for another breakout. That is suggesting that the stock may break out to the upside once again. Okay. What am I missing? Gap ups. In the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 2025. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. Forgot I mentioned. Yeah. And now for the bearish stuff. Right, it's pretty hard to see here. And it's a bit difficult to see here. And we do have a triple gap up. Cannot get a good image here. I cannot get a good image here. Yeah, it's not going to work. It's kind of hard to see here, but the first gap up was created. Was back at 1330. So that's a bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 1330 to fill that gap. Second gap down was back at 830. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 830 to fill that gap. And the final gap down was back at 650. So another bearish indicator that is telling us that the stock should come back down to 650, to fill that gap. And all of those gaps should fill in the short term. Bed Bath & Beyond moving up after hours, $2. I'm a little behind here on TD, so let me check IBKR. Yeah, you're right. So scratch what I just said about the aftermarket action. Let's redo that. And in the aftermarket here, this is running up to 2210. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will run to the upside as well. All right. Cool. I think I got everything. Yes. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right, this part is not fun. I do not enjoy this. All right, let's do it. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 2090 and 2055. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 2090, 2125, 2160, 2205, 2245, 2280, 2310, 2345, 2370, 24, 2420, 2450, 2530, 2580, 2640, 2670, 2725, 2775, 2810, 2855, 2885, 2920, 2955, and then $30. There is resistance above $30, but we're not going to discuss that right now. I think we'll just go down at 10 here. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 2055, 2015, 1965, 1930, 1890, 1855, 1835, 1805, 1780, 1750, 1710, 1665, 1620, 1565, 1530, 1490, 1450, 1420, 1880, 1340, 1295, 1260, $12, 1170, 1125, 1090, 1055, 1015, and then 965. There is support below 965, but we're not going to discuss that right now. So right now at the current price, 2065, the channels to the upside and the downside are very wide. So expect significant price action either way this goes. However, if / when this breaks 715 to the downside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect a significant, So expect a significant decrease in price action if / when this breaks 715 to the downside. 715. RSI is currently at 87. So this is very deep in overbought and overvalued territory. So be careful, guys. And this did 388 million in volume today. Which is the biggest volume day ever for this stock, or at least in the last 3 years. So very significant volume, way above the average of 10 million. So this pump / squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. And it does appear like the squeeze is still on. Still a lot of momentum here. Ape's still strong. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So like I said, I'm very happy for the ape so far. It's been an epic short squeeze. It's been an incredible run. Not over just yet, but at this point it is getting extremely dangerous. So be careful, guys. Don't be afraid to secure the gains. There is nothing wrong with that. Again, diamond hands is not the way. Forgot to mention before. This stock and a bunch of other meme stocks and low float stocks have been squeezing recently. And while the other stocks have since pulled back, this one keeps on ripping to the upside. All right. This will pull back very significantly, as with every short squeeze. Just a matter of when, not if. So it's pretty much a game of hot potato at this point. Someone's gonna get caught. Someone is going to get caught holding the bag. Make sure it's not you. Long term, the stock still looks bullish. This is a blue chip value stock. Well, not anymore, I guess. But in the short term, this looks like it's due for some very significant pullback. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. I'm not saying it's a bad play. But it's just very risky at this point. You already missed huge upside potential from the low of 440. We got some strong bearish indicators right now in the triple gap up and RSI. So while there is still more upside potential, because this is still short squeezing, it's very dangerous. Be careful, guys. Like I said, this will pull back very significant. This will pull back very significantly. Okay. So it's hard to predict how high this will squeeze because there aren't any gap downs to go off of. But again, the next tops, the next top on this cup would be 28.80, would be 28.85, and then $30 after that. So we'll just call it $30. And honestly, I really don't think it's going to go much higher than 30. So we'll just call it $30. I really don't think this is going to go higher than 30. So from the current price of 20.65, that would be, let's see, $45. That would be over a 45% upside potential. So still a lot of upside potential here. In the short term. And again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 20.65, that would be about a 70% downside potential. So also a lot of downside potential here in the short term. So I would say going long at the current price, 20.65 would be a high risk, high reward play. Not really worth it in my opinion. Too dangerous for my liking. So if you want to go long, please do that at your own risk, and it would definitely have to be for a quick scalp. Get in, get your money, get out. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, again, this should eventually come back down to 650 to fill the gap, and that would be an excellent entry, and that would be an excellent entry, a much better entry than the current price of 20.65. And at 650, there's massive upside potential and really shouldn't go too much lower to the downside. That's near the all-time low. So I would say going long at 650. Would be a low risk, very high reward play. And that's definitely worth the shot in my opinion. You really can't go too wrong there at 650. So I don't like the current entry of 20.65, but I can support going long at 650. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at the supports on the chart. Okay. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. And I know that's not a popular opinion. Don't hate me, guys. But I'm just reading the chart. Oh, I forgot to mention, too. So fundamentals and technicals don't matter nearly as much in a short squeeze. But they're still helpful. So take this with a grain of salt, guys. All right. What'd I say? Yeah, so now if you want to go short, not financial advice, looks like a pretty good play to me. Don't hate me, guys. I know that's not a popular opinion. But I'm just reading the chart. Like I said, at some point, sooner or later, this will pull back very significantly, as with every short squeeze. A lot of people are going to get hurt here. A lot of people are going to get caught holding the bag here. Make sure it's not you. And the fact that the institutions are starting to enter here on the short side. And the fact that the institutions are reloading and entering here on the short side makes me believe that the squeeze is going to be over soon. But that's just speculation. So once again, this has the potential to come back up to 30 in the short term to complete the cup there, which would be a 45% upside potential. And again, this should come back down to 650 to fill the gap there. And that would be a 70% downside potential. So I would say going short here would also be a high risk, high reward play. But I do like it. It looks like it's not done squeezing just yet. But as long as you're able to withstand the upside pressure here, this will come crashing down at some point, and this should fill the, and this most likely will come back down to 650, and this most likely will come back down to 650, to fill the gap there. So as long as you're able to withstand the upside pressure, this should come back down to 650, and that should be some very fat Cindy's on the downside. So I can support going short at the current price, 2065 and higher. And again, I would cover at 650. And again, I would cover at 650 where the gap is for a relatively easy 70% downside gain. All right. Cool. I think I got everything there. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBBY This is BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. All right, cool. So it didn't take as long as I thought it would. And I think I got some pretty good TA there. That should be a good video. All right, next one. BBIG. What up, Punk Skater?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Okay. Yeah, Fubo did get a lot of mentions. Yeah, I may have to do some post-show TA. We'll see. Green candle on Apple aftermarket on Apple after hours. And Nike exploded today. Yeah, 1.5%. It's pretty good for a value stock, yeah. Nice day for Nike. Yeah, really tech went down today. Yeah, Apple went down a little bit here. Yeah, it's going up in the aftermarket a little bit. Wow. What a chart. Look at that. Crazy chart on Apple. Kind of looks like a better SPY, to be honest. But yeah, 75 RSI right now. Pretty overbought, pretty overvalued. Okay. So let's do BBIG. So BBIG, and then we'll get to the Yolos. Let me just double check YouTube real quick. Where are we at? We're at 9 viewers, 17 likes. All right, so we lost some people here, which to be expected. But still a lot of people here, so appreciate everyone. And if you haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
Okay. So BBIG. Gonna take a quick drink and we'll do this. Tyler Wizzle at the beach. Is that Tyler Monroe? Still here, different account. All right, dude. Appreciate you. Hey, that's another free like, right? All right, cool. Yeah, the regulars, the OGs are, usually really good. They usually stay the whole show. Some people just pop in real quick, but yeah, I'm familiar with everyone who usually stays for the whole show. So I really appreciate it. You guys taking out the time of your day. Every day, every other day, being here with me. Means a lot. All right, BBIG. Let's do it. So here is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. This finishes at $1.13 today. That is up 58.77%. Oh, that was better. So we last covered this stock when the whole hostile takeover drama was happening. That attempt failed, but then after that, the stock got halted indefinitely because it was not in compliance with NASDAQ rules. So that was pretty nerve-wracking. Nobody knew when it would unhalt. But today, Out of nowhere, surprisingly, this did unhalt. And not only that, it started gamma squeezing. We did have some minor news yesterday. So let's check that out. All right. Vinco Ventures enters social media and Vinco Ventures enters social media, U.S. and Canada markets in partnership with Alpros. AI Pros? AI Pros. Alpros. So that was bullish. Definitely, it had somewhat of a factor on today's price action, but there's really no justification as to why the stock wound so hard today. This doesn't make any sense. No idea why the apes started piling it. No idea why the apes started piling in here today. But certainly not complaining. I'm very happy for the apes. Okay. What did this make? So this stock was number 5 on StockTwits today. Had 5,000 mentions. So once again, we're going to analyze it. All right, let's go ahead. Let's jump right in and analyze here. BBIG has support at 110, and the options chain is on fire. Can it squeeze? I mean, anything is possible. Yes, it can squeeze. It is possible. Will it? Probably not. Probably not. If it has some serious momentum, then yes. But, you know, the apes are focused elsewhere right now. So possible, not probable. That's my opinion, at least. Not financial advice. All right. All right, we'll work with this here. So right now, this is a cup and handle in the making. Bottom of the cup being the low of 67 cents. And there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 160, 225, 260, 3 or 340. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle. Where this has the potential to come back all the way back. Where this has the potential to come all the way back up to 555, 910, 1040, or even the high of 1250. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Descending channel. That's the triangle. Here we have a descending channel. Here we have a descending channel. Here we have a descending channel. Right now, the upper channel is at 70 cents and the lower channel is at 40 cents. So if this breaks 70 to the upside, that would be bullish, and if this breaks 40 to the downside, that would be bearish. So this did in fact break 70 cents today. So the descending channel is currently a bullish indicator. Gap downs. And then we do have 5 gap downs. First gap down was back here at 955. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 955 to fill this gap. Second gap down was back here at 745. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 745 to fill this gap. Third gap down is back here at 585. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 585 to fill this gap. Fourth gap down was back here at 275. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back down to 275 to fill this gap. And the final gap down is back at 190. So another bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to 190 to fill this gap. Right. Okay. So quintuple gap down, extremely bullish. Now for the bearish stuff, in the aftermarket here, this is pulling back down to 110. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bearish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow the stock will sell off. We do have a gap up created today at 73 cents. So that's a bearish indicator. That is telling us that the stock should come back down to 73 cents to fill this gap. And finally, the triangle. And finally here we have a symmetrical triangle forming. Symmetrical triangle forming. Right now, the upper channel is at 145, and the lower channel is at 75. So there's a lot more consolidation to go here. But this should consolidate somewhere around 110. And from there, it's going to break out either way, to the upside or the downside. So the symmetrical triangle is currently a neutral indicator. All right, I think I got everything. Cool. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. One more time. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. All right. Cool. $110. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 115 and 110. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 115, 120, 125, 135, 145, 160, 175, 190, 195, $2, 205, 215, 220, 225, 230, 240, 245, 250, 260, 270, excuse me, not 270, 265, 270, 275, 285, 290, 295, and then $3. There is resistance above $3, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next levels of support would be 110, 105, $1, 85 cents, 77 cents, 73 cents, 71 cents, and then the low of 67 cents. Right. $2 here. So right now with the current price, 113. The channels to the upside are very wide. So expect significant price action if the stock continues to run to the upside. However, if/when this breaks 190 to the upside, the channel starts to narrow. So expect significant price action if/when this damn, motorcycles. So expect a significant decrease in price action if/when this breaks 190 to the upside. And to the downside, the channels are pretty narrow. So don't expect too much price action if the stock goes to the downside. However, if/when this breaks $1 to the downside, the channels start to open up and get wider. So expect a significant increase in price action if/when this breaks $1 to the downside. Yeah, so from 113 up to 190, expect big price action. After 190, the price action goes back to normal. And from 113 down to $1, expect and from 113 down to $1, don't expect too much price action. Don't expect too much price action. But then below $1, expect but then below $1, you can expect big price action. RSI is currently at 51. So that is very average. The current price of 113 is around fair market value according to the RSI. And this was in oversold and undervalued territory just in the last trading session. So this was a massive increase in the RSI today. And this did 87 million in volume today, which is the second biggest volume day of the year. So very significant volume, way above the average of 26 million. So this pump slash squeeze today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. Want to take a quick look at BBIG options, might get in pre-market. Yeah, let me just finish up here. It'll be a couple more minutes. But I'm assuming IV is very high right now, so I probably wouldn't go for it. But I'm just speculating. We'll check it out here in a sec. Let me just finish up with TA. So it's been a pretty rough. So it's been a pretty rough year for this stock. Pulled back all the way from the high of $12.50 to under $1. And we got a lot of drama along the way. The whole Cryptide dividend drama, the whole hostile takeover drama. Fortunately, that's done with. And now we can focus on and now the stock can finally start pumping again. So long term, the stock still looks really bullish. Again, we have some strong bullish indicators in the cup and handle, descending channel, and quintuple gap down. But in the short term, there's a good chance this pulls back pretty significantly. Again, we have some bearish indicators in the aftermarket action and gap up. And then we have neutral indicators in the RSI and symmetrical triangle. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. The current price of 113 isn't a bad entry. It's a very average entry here. I guess if you're going to hold this for the long term, if you're going to buy and hold this for the long term, it's a pretty good entry. Again, this should eventually come back up to 955 to fill the gap there. And from the current price of 113, do some math. That would be over a 740%. That would be over a 740% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the long term. And again, this should eventually come back down to 73 73 cents to fill the gap there. So from the current price of 113, that would be over a 35% downside potential in the short term. So I would say going long at the current price, 113, would be a high risk, very high reward play. Like I said, if you're going to buy and hold for the long term, it is a pretty good entry. But honestly, if you're a bit patient, again, this should come back down to 73 cents to fill the gap there. And I think that would be an excellent entry. A much better entry than the current price of 113. So from 73 cents up to 9.55, that would be over a 1,200% upside potential. So even more massive upside potential here in the long term. And this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. And this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. 73 is near the all-time low. So I would say going long at 73 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. And that is definitely worth a shot in my opinion. Really can't go too wrong there. So I don't like the current entry of 113, although it's not a bad entry. But personally, I would try to hold off and get this back at 73 cents where the gap is. Yeah, but I can't support going long at 73 cents where the gap is. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down at these supports that I mentioned before. Okay. Are you almost finished YOLO next? Yeah, almost done. Almost done. Couple minutes. Now, if you want to go short now, financial advice. Seems like a pretty decent play. Just a little risky at the moment. In the short term, this has the potential to come back up to 190 to fill the gap there. Well, actually, okay. 740%, right? Hold up. Yeah. Again, in the longer term, this has a 740% upside potential. And again, in the short term, this should come back down to 73 cents, which would be a 35% downside potential. So I would say going short at the current price, 113 would be a very high risk, high reward play. a bit too risky for my liking, so I personally wouldn't go for it. There are definitely way better short plays out there in the market. But this should pay off pretty big. This should eventually come back. This should come back down to 73 before it runs to the upside again. So as long as you're able to withstand some upside pressure here, this should pull back down to 73 cents to fill the gap, and that's some pretty fat tendies on the downside. And that should be some pretty fat tendies on the downside there. So I can support going short at the current price, 113 and higher. And again, I would cover at 73 cents where the gap is. And that should be a relatively easy 35% downside gain. I would just advise using a stop loss in case things do go wrong. So kind of risky, but it should pay off. But honestly, there are way better short plays out there in the market. So if you don't want to stress if you don't want to stress yourself out that much, you're probably better off just moving on and looking elsewhere. Okay. So yeah, pretty straightforward, guys. You know what? Let's just skip it. So congratulations to everyone who made money in the stock today. Consider taking profits if you're up, not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is BBIG, Vinco Ventures. All right, so I think that was pretty decent. We'll see how it turns out later. All right, let's check out the options. All right, so yes, when. Why does this have tied options? What the hell is that? Okay. So yeah, you see here, the IV is insane. August 19th, 526% IV. August 26th, 380. September 2nd, 310, 309. And 243, 230. So, yeah, dude, I probably wouldn't go for the options. The IV is just way too high right now. So even if you're right, you can still lose money. That's why I hate options, or buying options at least. So, not financial advice, but it's probably better to go with shares, long or short right now. I just don't like the IV. Or you can sell options. Selling options would be good right now. Yeah, so right now, again, not financial advice, but I think trading shares and selling options is a good idea. Buying options, probably not. Like I said, you can be right and still lose money because IV is still high. So, yeah, IV's very unattractive right now. I would not go for it. I just go with shares or selling options. Now I was going to make a play in pre-market depending how things look. Shares. All right, yeah. All right, sounds like a plan, dude. Yeah, definitely don't go for the options. That's too risky at this point. So, all right, sounds like a plan. Shares pre-market. So good luck to you, and let me know how that goes. Network 126 video, 8-minute video. He's worse than Kroger guy. People stalking him. All right, so yeah, we're getting on to the Yolos now. So we'll see how long this takes, but it shouldn't take too long. And if we got time, then we'll do the videos there. We'll do that video. All right, guys, so that's all the TA for today. Didn't take too long. A little over an hour, which is what I expected. So we're done with that. Let's get on to the Yolos now. And I may or may not do additional TA on Fubo after the show. We'll see. But yeah, that's all the live TA we got for today. So let's move on to the Yolos now. And this should be fun. This shouldn't take too long. It's mostly memes. But let me just check YouTube real quick. Where are we at? We're at 5 viewers, 17 likes. So yeah, a few people dipped. But appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
And if you haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. The video warning due to language. Well, I don't want to get demonetized. I don't want to get flagged, and you know, so maybe we have to just put it on subtitles or something. I don't know. If I wasn't monetized, I wouldn't care. But now I'm monetized, so I'm trying to make this money, you know. So I don't really want any bad words in my videos. So maybe we'll just have to yeah, maybe we'll just have to put on subtitles or something. All right, 1 second. Let me pull up the Yolos. Gonna take a minute or two, because there are quite a few today. So give me a sec here, or a minute. All right, 4 more. Yeah, this is a lot today. All right, and 1 more. Cool. Give that a minute to finish loading. The guy cursing all the time. YouTube don't monetize his channel at all. He get away from YouTube all the time. Yeah, so he's not monetized. That'll probably do it if you keep cursing. Yeah. So yeah, I think if we watch that, I'm gonna have to turn the sound off and put these subtitles on. But then that's not that good then. I don't know. Do you have a specific time frame that you can give me that we can watch? I don't want to watch the whole thing, to be honest. That's kind of long. Do you have a specific time frame we can watch that isn't that long, that doesn't curse? What happened here? Why is this not showing up? Hold on. Reload that. Why is it not loading? Where's the meme? He's still getting paid on YouTube by cursing? Interesting. Interesting. What the hell? Why is this not loading? Did it get deleted? What's going on here? Bed Bath & Beyond with some interesting aftermarket action. What's it at now? Yeah, it's up to 20. Yeah, it's back up. 2273 now. Yeah, so it's still running back up. So still probably going to squeeze tomorrow. Alright, so this stuff is still loading, and I don't know why this first one... I think they deleted the post or something. What is this? Eight-minute video is much better. The stalker went too far. Alright, if we got time, we'll check it out. That's just kind of long, and, you know, I don't want the cursing in here. Second video, only 2 minutes. All right, we can watch that one. the hell's going on here? Why is this not loading? Alright, I think this one got deleted. I don't know why. That sucks. Wait, it's not, I think Red's problem with Reddit right now. Why are these, I don't know, guys. I think it's just Reddit, because these memes are not showing up. It's not the only one. All the memes are not loading here. What is going on? Hold on. Come on, Reddit. You really gotta screw with me right now like this? Yeah, it's all the memes. All the memes are not loading. What is going on here? Come on. Reddit, really? Really, Reddit? And, like, I had mostly memes today. What is going on? Where's the images? Maybe they did their stupid no image thing anymore. Yeah, it's all of them. All of them. Where's the content? This is crazy. I don't know, guys. We may not have Yolos today. Wall Street Bets is not cooperating. I don't know what's going on here. Try it one more time, but this is not cooperating at all. I do not see any images here. Are the Yolos here at least? Even the Yolos, there's no images. What is going on? Alright, guys. I think there may be no Yolos today. Wall Street Bets is not cooperating. I'll show you. See? Everything here. Every single YOLO. No image. No image. No image. No image. That's memes and YOLOs. What is up with Wall Street Bets? Come on, bro. And this was some good YOLOs, too, here today.
Bruh.
Watch the video first while you're waiting. Well, no, that's just too much loading. But I don't think we can do the YOLOs anyway. Alright, give me another minute. Let me see if it... Let me try reloading. But, yeah, I don't think we're going to do the YOLOs today. Unfortunately, Reddit/Wall Street Bets is, not cooperating right now. Yeah, I don't think this is going to happen. That's unfortunate. That's very unfortunate. Man. And we had some good stuff here today. We had some pretty funny memes. We had some epic gain corn. We had some millionaires being made here today on Wall Street Bets. Oh boy. Of course. Of course, Reddit got to screw me here. Yeah, I'm just running through them to see if any of them work, but it appears like none of them are working. That is very unfortunate. That is very, very unfortunate. Really, bro? Alright, I don't think the YOLOs are happening today. Damn Wall Street Bets. How unfortunate. How unfortunate. Oh, well. That sucks. That sucks. I'm sorry, guys. There was some good YOLOs here today. There were some good YOLOs. Really good YOLOs. I was pretty excited for this part. But I think Wall Street Bets took down all images. I don't think you can post images anymore. Because they've been doing that, and then they brought the images back, but I think they banned the images again. Damn. Alright, so I guess no YOLOs today, guys. I'm sorry. Although, can someone explain this to me? What is the whole joke with the watermelon thing? Now with Bed Bath & Beyond, this is the joke with the watermelon. I don't get it. I'm slow. Explain to me, guys. What's with the watermelon? Anyway, so yeah, no Yolos today, guys. Unfortunate, but Reddit's not cooperating. So I think that means we can watch the video. Try different browsers? I don't have a different browser. All I got is Google Chrome right now. Alright, so no Yolos, guys. Very, very unfortunate. I'm sorry. But I guess we got time to watch the video now, if it wants to load. Put it that way. But that is pretty much the show for today, guys. So we're just gonna screw around here and watch this video. That's pretty much the show. That's pretty much the show for today, guys. So anything else, questions, comments, concerns, put in chat right now. Charts, anything, put in chat right now. We'll get to that before we get out of here. Otherwise, we'll just finish up with this video here. Yeah, I can't do different browsers, dude. It's not gonna work. I can try to load yours right now. I bet you it's not gonna work. Working, it's fine for you in Safari. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Let me load up this YouTube video. Pause. Alright, let's see if this post works. I think all of Reddit. Wow, it is working. What the hell? That's weird. Alright, so this one works. This one works. Low rollers works. But the ones I pulled up didn't work. Alright, give me 1 second. Let me see if this is actually working now. What the hell's going on with Reddit, bro? Now it's working. Bruh. Okay, now it's actually working. What the actual hell? You have got to be kidding me, right? Of course. Alright, so I may have to load everything over again. Well, I'm going to load everything over again. So we're going to do the Yolos. I just have to reload it. Damn Reddit. Crazy. Ugh. So thanks for bearing with me, guys. I know this is really annoying. But it's working now. It's working. Yeah, it's working now. Alright. So I gotta redo that again. I think most people are gone. Because, we're just wasting way too much time here. Just loading up the damn page. But I appreciate everyone who's still here. Alright, yeah, here it goes. Now it's working. Cool. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that was a huge waste of time. Huge waste of time. But it's working now. Cool. Thoughts on Fubo? Yeah. We do have to look at that. Alright, so let's look at that real quick while this loads. What's gonna be next? MOAS Fubo or Fart Token? What is Fart Token? Never heard of Fart Token. Sounds like a scam. Um, yeah, so I never heard of Fort Token, and Fubo is already mooning. So, probably Fubo over Fort Token, but I'm not saying you should buy Fubo, but I would definitely go for Fubo over Fort Token. Let's put it that way. I think you're joking, though. You're trolling, right? Alright, so yeah, guys, I may or may not do bonus content on Fubo after we're done with the show here. But yeah, on Fubo, so it's going up in the aftermarket, 660, so still squeezing here, probably gonna go to the upside tomorrow as well. Gap down here at 32, so that's bullish. Should come back up to 32. Big strong cup and handle. So yeah, long term looks bullish. There's another gap here at 965. Yeah, 965, another gap. So yeah, double gap down, big cup and handle. So this is bullish in the long term. Should come back up to 32 eventually. But in the short term, it's gonna keep running tomorrow probably, and maybe a few days after. But you know, it's gonna come crashing down. Just be careful. Yeah, major price action, major volume today. But yeah, RSI's at 85, so this is overbought, overvalued. And we do have a few gaps here. Small gaps. 89. Yeah, so there's a gap at 390. And 275. 390, 275. So this may come back down to 275. 390 or 275. So yeah, long-term bullish, but I think in the short term it's going to keep squeezing for the next day or two. But I think this is due for some significant pullback. So not sure if you guys wanted to hear that. But yeah, I would not FOMO at this point. You can if you want to. Just do it at your own risk. You know, it's extremely dangerous at this point. I would not go long, and this actually looks like a pretty good shorting opportunity, to be honest. Not yet, but yeah. So I think short term is going to pull back. Long term is bullish, though. I'd like to hear more about Fubo. I like the company. Maybe entry at $6. Well, I certainly would not do that, and I would not recommend that. This is not financial advice, but I certainly would not do that. Not saying you shouldn't do it, just too dangerous for my liking. So I'd just stay away from this altogether, and possibly short very soon. People on Wall Street Bets are saying it's going to go to 40. Yeah, I don't know about that. That would take like a Bed Bath & Beyond GME AMC type of squeeze. So I guess it's possible, but not very likely. I highly doubt that. I highly doubt that. Because this isn't as popular as Bed Bath & Beyond, and you know, it already looks like pretty dangerous at this point. Yeah, so if you guys want to load it at 6, go ahead, but just understand that is very dangerous, and do it at your own risk. You know, it's not investing, it's gambling. So you know, hope it works out for you guys. But I'm gonna sit this one out. Bed Bath & Beyond stock pumping again. Well, like in the aftermarket? What's it at now? It was at 22 last time. It's at almost 23 now. Yeah. Bill Ferguson. Fubo short interest went up today. It's juicier now. Not necessarily. It's more dangerous. More than anything, actually. So, yeah, like I said, I'm not loving this. I would actually wait to try to get this back at a lower price. But if you guys want to go for it, go ahead. Just understand, it's highly risky. High risk, high reward. So, if you guys want to, go ahead. But, you know, set your stop losses. Set your sell orders. And, you know, just be very careful. That's the only thing I can really say. So, I hope it works out for you guys. Good luck. Can you shake it for me? Shake what? Salt shaker? Shake it like a salt shaker? Shake that rump. I don't have much to shake. I don't got much to shake, so I don't know if you want to see that. Go ask your aunt. She'd probably do a better job. All right. Now it's YOLO time. So, my bad, guys. That took way too long and had some technical difficulties, but we got it now. So let's do it. So we got mostly, so today should be fun. We got mostly memes and some epic gain cord. This should be fun. Let's do it. Just saw my aunt half nude. Yeah, yesterday, right? Should have asked her to shake it for you. Ask her next time. All right, this first one is by Mr. Adelphi03. Handsome Clooney is a man of his word. Watermelon Corno incoming. All right, so we see here, this guy. Handsome Clooney. So he says,
this shit is going too damn far. What the fuck? Look at this.
That? Oh my god. So I had the YouTube. I don't know why that just played. But the YouTube video just played. I don't know why that just happened. Autoplay? What the hell was that? Someone hacking me here? This is crazy. Yeah. So, literally the first 2 seconds, the guy's cursing. I don't know if we're going to watch it, Low Roller. It's too much cursing. I really don't want that. You know, try to keep this PG-13. Anyway, back to this. So, yes. Handsome Clooney. If Bed Bath & Beyond hits $20 by the end of August, I will take a video of myself making love to a buttered watermelon painted like Mila Kunis. Again, I don't know what's up with these watermelon jokes. I don't get it, but Bed Bath & Beyond watermelons is a thing now. I guess it was like with the bananas. The apes and their bananas. Now it's watermelons. So yes. Bed Bath & Beyond did hit 20 by the end of August. So, looking forward to this, watermelon corn. Watermelon Mila Kunis. Haven't heard about her in a while. She's still relevant. She married Ashton Kutcher, right? But she's like kind of old now. Anyway, so yes, looking forward to that. I want to see it. All right, next one by Affectionate Guava 281. So another guy promising something, but he deleted it. So yes, we must not let him get away with this. So yes, deleted. So the guy is trying to chicken out here. But he said if Bed Bath & Beyond hits 15 end of the week, I will eat an entire watermelon, including the rind, in one video. So that's not that bad. You could do. Why'd you delete it, dude? That's not bad. You can eat a watermelon. I don't know about the rind, but come on, bro. Chickened out here.
Bruh.
We gotta hunt this guy down. Make him do it. All right, by Miss You Pac. Miss You Pac? Like Tupac? 720. Fun night tonight for me and the missus. So, pretty self-explanatory. I don't think I need to go too much into detail about what this is. But you should probably buy some KY or something. Because I don't think this is going to feel too good. Alright. Bed Bath & Beyond. So this is a Pirates of the Caribbean meme. So here's Jack Sparrow. Shout out to Johnny Depp. Bed Bath & Beyond. And here's the Black Pearl. Rest of my portfolio. So a lot of apes definitely can relate to this today. Not me, but I'm sure a lot of apes felt this. Good stuff. Alright. There's no way Bed Bath & Beyond is worth $18. This is going to be you tomorrow. So here's Dave Chappelle. I forgot what skit this was, but I definitely saw this. But here's Dave Chappelle. Y'all got any more of that $25 Bed Bath & Beyond? Yeah. Well, And then all the apes are gonna run in, buy Bed Bath & Beyond at 25 and get burned. Can't wait for that. Can't wait for that. And if you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please and thank you. Alright, this is the dankest timeline. So here's Wolf of Wall Street. Buying Bed Bath & Beyond at 7. Nerve-wracking. Watching it approach 30. And then watching it approach back. Watching it approach $5 again. Yep. They're gonna make it rain, diamond hands, and lose everything. You already know. Alright. This system works. So here's a Jim Cramer meme. So it's 6 days ago, Bed Bath & Beyond sell 10 million shares right now. Yeah, he was telling Bed Bath & Beyond to do an offering. That's what he was doing. And since then, it's gone up 180%. So now more than ever, they should do an offering. But yeah, just more clowning on Jim Cramer here. Shout out to Jim Cramer. Bed Bath & Beyond short sellers be like. There's a SpongeBob meme. When the billionaires manipulate the stock market, don't worry, the market will regulate itself. When the normal people manipulate the stock market, that's illegal. You all going to jail. So very, very true. This is very true. Manipulation happens all the time. But when the apes do it, the institutions don't like it. That's not fair. Yep, I feel this one. Definitely very true. Alright, me right now on Bed Bath & Beyond. Contemplating whether to YOLO on Bed Bath & Beyond right now. Wondering if you'll get burnt like all the other poop memes stocks that you bought into for the last 18 months through FOMO. Yes. This one is really good. So if you are contemplating, guys, don't do it. And that's not financial advice, but this is not going to end well. This is not going to end well. So don't FOMO. And if you do, good luck. Hit the sell button. But yes, very, very relatable. I felt this one. All right, let's get on to the actual corn here. So, Bed Bath & Beyond, $2 million or $5 million update, not for sale. All right, so this was a couple hours ago at the high. But yeah. So today he's up $1.75 million. What the hell? And I think in total he's up 3 mil, because it says 2 mil to 5 mil. So not sure what the cost basis is, but yeah, $2 million YOLO, and he's up $3 million bucks. Made 150% in what? A couple days here? That is insane. That is absolutely insane. So this is some of the bigger gain coin we've seen in a while. And yep, only thing to do at this point. Hit the sell button, dude. Hit the sell button. Stop losses. Sell button. Come on, bro. You made $3 million. What do you want? What do you want, bro? Bruh. Sell button. So, don't do this, guys. Don't YOLO this amount of money in a meme stock. But it worked out. So, yeah, congrats to this guy. HGYI. Yeah, congrats to you. Very risky, but it paid off. And yeah, at this point, hit the sell button, secure the gains. Don't get too greedy. Thanks for posting. Please post updates. Alright, by Yuri Tarded. Wife changing money. Let's effing go. So this was really good. Or, well, depends what you mean by good, but this was well done. So, 1,000 calls here. Bed Bath & Beyond, January 2023, 37 strike. So this was a 285k YOLO, and he's up almost 600k right now. 208%. So this is kind of questionable. I like the expiration, but, you know, very bad strike. But he got lucky here. But that's insane. Don't do this, guys. Don't YOLO 285K on FD meme stocks. That is absolutely nuts. But hey, it's paid off so far for this guy. And, yes, you definitely have to hit the sell button at some point here. Probably right now would be a good idea. Definitely don't hold this to January. It's not going to be at 37 in January. I promise you. So yeah, really risky stuff. Not super ape mode, but pretty apish here. Really risky, paying off so far, and at this point, hit the sell button. Epic gain cord. So yeah, you're retarded. Thanks for posting. Congrats to you so far. And hit the sell button, dude. Stop losses, sell button. So thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Please post updates. All right. So this guy. So these are just insane YOLOs money wise. So this guy has 500K YOLO here. Average $15. So he's up right now. He's up a lot right now, actually. It's probably a lot more than 500K now. I'm not sure what it is now. I guess we could do the math. $32,467 times. It's actually like 750K right now. So, yeah, he's actually up 50%. About 250K. So, really well done. Don't do this, guys. Don't YOLO this much money into a meme stock. But really well done. Massive payoff. And yeah, dude, same thing. Hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. Stop loss this sell button. So not as apish, but, you know, I still wouldn't recommend YOLOing this much money on a meme stock. But yeah, Jam Quartz, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Hit the sell button, and please post updates. All right, this one is by Stocks Ruined My Life. Let's go Bed Bath & Beyond. So, this one... Yeah, this one, 300K YOLO. And that's not correct. How much is he up here? 20,000. All right, so this guy's up also about 160K, so over 50% here. Massive gains. So same thing as the other guys. You know, don't YOLO this amount of money. Highly risky, but it paid out. And yeah, sell button at this point. Sell button, stop losses. Secure the gains. So 150K gain, 160K gain. Congrats to you, dude. Hit the sell button. Please post updates. All right, this one. This one's a 60K YOLO. Average cost 1720. But he's up. He's actually up. Average cost 1720. So, yeah, same thing. Hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. I think he's up like 40% or something. 30-40% right now. But yeah, highly risky. Hit the sell button. Secure the gains. Stop losses. You know, be happy what you got. So congrats to you. The groups, good luck, and please post updates. Yeah, these are like all the same now. So this guy let me trade. I'm not effing selling. The fun has just begun. See you at 50. I don't know about 50. But, yeah, this guy. This was really well done. This guy got in very low. 645 average. 3,000 shares. So, yeah. Really, really well done. I like this a lot. He literally caught, not the bottom, but almost the bottom before the squeeze. And printing right now. Printing like crazy. So here he was at 59K. And now he's at 69K. Lol, nice. So he made another 10,000 today. But yeah, I like this one a lot. Unlike the other guys with the crazy averages, this guy got in very low and riding it all the way up. So yeah, congrats to you. let me trade. Really well done. I like this a lot. Caught the bottom, and you want shares, not FDs. So at this point, you got to be happy with your. He must be up like almost 300% now. Yeah, hit the sell button, dude. You got to be happy with this. Insane gains. Secure it. Stop losses. Sell orders. Secure the gains. Well done. Congrats, dude. So thanks for hosting. Congrats, and please post updates. Yeah, this one was pretty good. I like this one a lot. And last one by J-Man. 26K YOLO with my college fund update. So yeah, guys, we did review this the other day. Don't YOLO your college fund, guys. Don't YOLO personal loans. Don't YOLO money you can't afford to lose. Don't invest money you can't afford to lose. But yeah, 26K YOLO. He's up 213% total, 55K. So he's up to 80K now. And this was at the high at 28. But yeah, same thing. So insane. Don't do this, guys. But it paid off. And yeah, only one thing to do at this point: hit the sell button. Hit the sell button. Stop losses. All that good stuff. All right. So that's all the YOLOs for today, guys. Let me check YouTube real quick. We're down to 4 viewers, 18 likes. All right, so that's all the YOLOs for today, guys. That was pretty quick. Mostly memes. That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed. But again, my apologies for those technical difficulties right there. All right, so now it's 6:45. I said at least 2 hours, maybe 2.5. We're going close to 3 today. So which I don't mind because a lot of you guys are chatting. Great day for chat. But I guess we got time. We'll watch the video. So last thing to do is the YouTube video. But if you guys have anything else, questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at, put in the chat right now. We'll get to that before we get out of here. But last order of business, for now at least, we're going to watch this video. And it's not even buffering. What the hell is this? Alright, subtitles. I'm going to turn the sound off, because the guy swears like a sailor, and I'm not trying to get banned here. And hopefully it actually plays, because whenever I go 2x speed, it has a hard time buffering. Anyway, let's check this out. Did I 2x it? I did 2x it. There's no subtitles. Is he talking? No subtitles, and it's buffering. Yeah, I don't think this is going to work. Yeah, this ain't going to work. It just keeps buffering, and we're not even getting subtitles. So, can't even, and I'm not going to turn on the sound. So, yeah, I think that's a dub. Yeah, let's close that down. Yeah, can't do that, low roller. Sorry. Not buffering and no subtitles, no sound. And it's getting late anyway, so we gotta get out of here. I did click closed caption. I did click it. There's no subtitles. Don't know what's happening there. Read comment section. Too late now. I already X'd it. But I'll watch it here later on myself. We're not gonna do it live, but yeah, I'll watch it and I'll read some comments. But all right, guys. So that is the show for today. Really, really long show. Almost 3 hours. But you know, we got through a lot of good stuff here today. Some minor news, 2 TAs, and then YOLOs were pretty good too. Some technical difficulties, but good YOLOs. What do you think? Your opinion if you watch the video? I'll let you know. I'll let you know tomorrow if I watch it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, really good show. I enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed. Good stuff. And that's all I got for today. So thank you guys for the show today. Great show. Thank you to all the regulars, all the new people, and everyone who makes the show possible. That's all I got. So let's get out of here. And I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So I may do a Fubo video right now. I really don't want to, but I may do a Fubo video right now. We'll see. We'll see. But yeah, I'm going to do Bed Bath & Beyond, BBIG, and possibly Fubo. So catch you guys tomorrow. All right, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You apes already know, diamond hands to the moon. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.